Hi, my name is David from Sublime Painting Decorating. Today I'm going to show you me using a product called Peel Stop here from Zinsser on a laundry ceiling that needs a lot of attention. Now, as you can see, the corner's in pretty bad condition as well as the rest of the ceiling. So what I'm going to do is get scraping back, and then once that's done, I'm going to apply the Peel Stop. The ceiling can start peeling like this for a variety of reasons. Perhaps the very first painters didn't put a proper undercoat, or perhaps over time, being a laundry, just the steam. So what I'm going to do here is get back as much paint, if not all the loose paint that needs to come off. The added point to me, the ceiling hasn't been painted in over 20 years, so it definitely needs a bit of attention. So as you can see, all the loose paint's been peeled off. Now it's time for a coat of Zinsser Peel Stop, which is a clear binding sealer, which helps glue down all the loose edges, giving a good foundation for the finish coat. And being water-based, it's ready for patching and painting in just 2 hours. So as you can see, the ceiling has been sealed up, patched up, and now ready for painting. Don't forget to follow the safety instructions on the back and always wear the proper PPE. Now what I'm going to do now is finish off the ceiling with Zinsser paint and prime. It's also mold resistant as well and goes on pink but dries white. So here we have the finished product, Zinsser Peel Stop, followed by Zinsser's all-in-one paint and prime ceiling paint. A nice, fresh, white ceiling. With Zinsser, it's no probs.